начинай. Говори.
So when you turn the shaft, the turbine does not spin, as you can see. And first thing we notice when we removed the turbo from the car, the nut right here was missing, and as you can see, all these damages was caused by that nut. We found the nut in the air hose, right? Yeah, we found the nut in the air hose, was all missing, not in the place. And right now you can see when you spin, it doesn't work, and it has a lot of play.
Okay, brothers, I think you got a whole full information from Eugene Martin of Italy. Send us another turbo, please.